Hi family, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's edition, we are looking at Calaz, who is also known as Bosiala or Mubanditi. He is a Zim dancehall artist that rose to fame around 2013 with the boom of the Zim dancehall genre in Zimbabwe. His real name is Tawanda Mumanyi and he was born on the 2nd of August in 1990, which means he is 32 years as of 2022. He grew up living in Mbare, and for his primary school education he attended St. Peter's Primary School, and for his high school education he went to Mutendi High School, where he was to later on discover his musical talent. Very little is known about his musical endeavors before becoming famous, but we do know that he was a church member at Christ Embassy, where he was also part of the church choir. Calaz is considered to be one of the pioneers of the Zim dancehall genre in Zimbabwe because he rose to fame just as the genre was emerging. Some of his songs that showed him to stardom include Mabanditi, Momota Murukubvira, Kwatinobva Kwakasiyana Siyana, amongst many others. And what made him even more famous is his feud with Soldier Love, in which they exchanged diss tracks aimed at each other, which was something that is completely new on the musical scene in Zimbabwe and took the industry by storm. Up to date, Calaz has several albums, which include Original, which was produced in 2017, Bolato Bolato, Calaz at 30, both of which were released in 2020, and Ghetto DNA, which was released in 2021, and Ndakatsungwa, which was released in 2018. Even though Calaz is one of the most controversial Zim dancehall artists in Zimbabwe, he has astounding talent, and for this he has won several awards. He has got some NAMA awards, Zim dancehall awards, Star FM awards, and some Zima awards. On to his personal life, Calaz is currently in a relationship with an unidentified young lady whom he showed off to the public on Valentine's Day in 2022. But before that, Calaz was once married to a Tembelihle Moyo, with whom he has a daughter by the name of Shalom Mumanyi. Up to date, Calaz has never revealed why he separated from the mother of his daughter. After Tembelihle came Moira Knight, to whom he was officially engaged on 5 July 2016, and they have a child together, a son. Unfortunately, their relationship also ended amidst a lot of controversy and drama that we shall talk about later. On to controversies surrounding Calaz. Number 1. In 2017, it was reported that his relationship with Moira Knight had ended because he had beaten her up over a phone. In 2017, an assault case had to be opened against Calaz for beating up his wife, but surprisingly, that is the same year that he released his song Usamurove, which talks against gender-based violence. At number 2, we have a beef between Calaz and Passion Java. Apparently, this started after the death of Soldier Love, in which Calaz accused Passion Java of extortion and using Soldier Love, and then this resulted in them firing missiles at each other, which eventually died down, but a lot of dirt was dished out. Lastly, on to interesting facts about Calaz. Number 1, Calaz has his own record label, which is called Yala Nation, and that has been the home of the likes of Van Choga amongst many others. And he also has his own fashion brand called Mabanditi, which makes some of the clothes that he wears on stage. Number 2, pioneered some philanthropic works. In 2015, he donated some food items to the Chikurubi Maximum Prison, and in 2020, he's one of the few local artists who was spearheading charity works providing food items to starving families. With that, we come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye.